How to use usage analytics for SaaS ROI. Imagine having a clear map that shows exactly how your software tools are helping your business grow. That's what usage analytics can do for your SaaS investments. When you understand how users interact with your legal and human resources software, you can make smarter decisions to boost your return on investment. Start by tracking key metrics like how many employees or legal team members are actively using the platform. Are they logging in regularly? Which features do they use most? If some tools are hardly touched, you might be wasting money on licenses that aren't adding value. Next, measure license utilization by comparing the number of purchased licenses to those actually in use. If you bought 100 licenses but only 50 are used, you can cut costs by reducing unnecessary seats. Look at activity volume too. For example, in human resources software, how many payroll runs or benefits enrollments happen each month? Are these numbers improving over time? This shows whether the software is making processes more efficient. Time to value is another important metric. How fast do new users start seeing benefits like faster onboarding or fewer manual tasks? The quicker the results, the better your ROI. You should also connect usage data to business outcomes. For legal teams, this might mean fewer compliance issues or faster case resolutions. For HR, it could mean lower employee turnover or quicker hiring. When you compare the benefits gained from usage to the total costs, like subscriptions, training, and support, you get a clear picture of your SaaS return. To maximize these benefits, review usage reports regularly. Spot underused licenses and see if they can be reassigned or canceled. Segment users by their roles or departments to target training where it's needed most. Keep an eye on which features are popular and consider removing or improving those that aren't used. You can also tie usage data to financial metrics like customer acquisition cost or lifetime value. This helps you see the bigger picture of how your SaaS tools impact your bottom line. When it's time to renew, use this data to negotiate better terms by showing how the tools are actually being used and the value they deliver. In the end, using usage analytics is about making your SaaS investments work harder for you. It helps you understand what's really driving results, where to cut costs, and how to improve overall efficiency. For legal and human resources software, this means better compliance, smoother workflows, and more strategic spending. When you keep a close on how your tools are used, you ensure every dollar spent is helping you reach your goals.